Hi everyone, my name is Shayna from WTI.
And I am so happy I finally get to say goodbye to the puddle that's usually behind my kitchen sink with this kitchen sink splash guard. Every time I wash dishes, no matter how careful I try to be, I would always have a river flowing behind my faucet. But with this silicone splash guard, it's helped to keep my countertops dry. And I love that it not only catches the water, but it redirects it back into the sink and not on my countertops. And I really love that I have a place to keep my scrub brushes and sponges so it can catch whatever water may be on there. And not only is it good for kitchens, but also bathrooms.
I'm so happy to finally have dry countertops, and you will too, and that's my point of view.